Hello, I'm Pierre Guilly, and I am the French property coach. I've been a licensed buyer's agent in France since 2011, and unlike most other agents, I speak proper English. After I started in the industry over 10 years ago, I learned that foreign buyers of French properties have lots of questions about how things are done in France, about what's different from where they're coming from. I would too. I remember once I dreamed of buying a house in Greece on a small island, and well, I gave up when I was told that there is no land registry in Greece. Well, that was a long time ago, so I'm sure it's changed. Anyway, so I wrote a guide to answer all the questions I was getting. Then, after COVID, like many others, I had a Zoom epiphany. I realized that I could do all the things that I was doing and more online in a remote manner. So now I'm launching an online French property coaching service. The idea is to start with a free video consultation so you can ask all of your most pressing questions. Then, if you want, if you're looking to buy or sell French property, you can subscribe to the online service whereby I will accompany you during your project every step of the way with your own portal and chat and video tools to simplify your life and make sure that nothing gets lost in translation and that nobody takes advantage of you just because you're a foreigner. That's what I call online coaching. It costs less than 300 euros a month, and it can save you plenty of money too. If you want to sign up for a free video consultation, it's simple. Go to frenchproperty.coach/free. If you want to know more about the service, watch that video. You'll learn everything in just 10 minutes. Voila. Now, you know everything. If not, send me an email at pierre@frenchproperty.coach or visit the website. Until then, maybe, à bientôt.